continues to suffer from a lack of inventory and, more importantly, a lack of affordable homes for sale to support the infrastructure of the area. It's Friday, July 5th, 2024. I hope everyone had a safe and fun Independence Day holiday celebration yesterday. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the Annapolis Real Estate Report. With inventory challenges throughout Maryland, Annapolis continues to be exceptionally challenged, with only 87 homes for sale under $1 million. Resale inventory this week is at 137 homes, with another 20 coming soon. 29 hit the market over the past week. 17 homes went under contract in 6 median days since last report. 31 homes sold in 6 days at 100.7% list to sold ratio. Rentals fell to 36 at $27.75 median dollars per month. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, July 5th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.